Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use custom attribute and how you can create them. Also, I will explain how it will be very useful for yourself to sell any product variant. Let's assume you are selling a laptop in your website. If you click on view details, here you will see an option is RAM. These are actually a custom attribute which allow you to add product variant as you want. Also, it can be assignable with additional price. So it is very useful when you are selling different kind of product in the same platform. So let's go to admin panel and see how we can create our own custom attribute. Let's back to the admin panel, search for attribute manage, click on custom attribute. Here you will find all the list of created custom attribute. If you see, you will also find options for RAM, which I have shown you in the website. In our case, we will create a custom variant for ourselves to show you how you can create it. Let's click on add new attribute. Give it a name of custom attribute. Let's say you are selling a t-shirt which has three variant. One is limited. Let's change this to t-shirt variant. Another one is custom made. Let's say another one is brand or gaming. Click on save changes. The variant is created. Back to the all variant page. Here you will see the variant you have created. You can also click on edit button to edit it anytime. You can remove anyone, add anything anytime. This is actually how you can create product variant. While you are adding any product, you will see an options to add those custom attributes. You can check out our how to create a product video for the learn more about this, how you can use it with the product. So this is it now guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.